Budgeting in larger entities and public sector organisations has always been a challenge. Most of us have personally experienced the scenario of losing track of which copy of spreadsheet in Excel is the correct and most current. Multiple versions of the same spreadsheet, non-working formulas and endless copy-paste and self-evolving budgeting routines are just the start of the chaos. Veera is a financial planning and budgeting tool for local municipalities and governments, medium and large-size entities. All parties, from a municipality mayor to a school principal, can work with budgets at the same time, irrespective of their location or the device and software they use. Veera makes the communication between all parties who are involved in financial planning clear. It also makes budget changes traceable and understandable during the process, all in one cloud environment. Keep all your departments in the centralised system so there are no missing Excel sheets, emails or lost documents. Veera helps your organisation and financial department to focus on their main tasks and to improve work efficiency.